Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A Guide to Calling Mocked Methods in Python using the unittest.mock module. Introduction. Mocking is a powerful technique in software testing that allows you to replace real objects with mock objects during testing. In Python, the unittest.mock module provides a mock class that facilitates the creation of mock objects. This tutorial will guide you through the process of calling mocked methods using the unittest.mock module, with practical code examples. Make sure you have Python installed on your system, and if not, you can download it from python.org. The unittest.mock module is included in the Python standard library, so there is no need to install any additional packages. To get started, you need to create a mock object using the unittest.mock module. Here's a simple example. Now, let's mock a method of an object. Suppose you have a class called calculator, and you want to mock its add method. In this example, we're replacing the original add method with a mock that always returns 42. Now, let's call the mocked add method and observe the result. The output should be. You can also verify that the mocked method was called with specific arguments using the assert_called_with method. This assertion will pass since we called the add method with arguments 10 and 20. It's a good practice to clean up your mock objects after each test. You can use the reset_mock method for this. This resets the call count and any recorded calls for the mocked method. Mocking methods in Python using the unittest.mock module is a valuable skill for testing and isolating code during unit testing. This tutorial provided a basic overview of creating a mock object, mocking a method, calling the mocked method, and verifying method calls. Feel free to incorporate these techniques into your testing workflow to ensure the robustness and reliability of your Python code. Happy coding! ChatGPT